morning. Not sure if you can hear me, it's a bit noisy in here, but today is the day. We're making the bob back a Trayback. It's very cold, but it's nice and bright, it's not sunny, so let's see what kind of a fuck up we make of this. I've done it before, years and years ago, to a Vauxhall Frontera. I haven't done it to a Land Rover. What's the worst that can happen? Now we're going to try and document as much as we can, but some of what you see might not be legal, so them bits might have to come out. But now we should do alright, innit? I mean, just cutting an hole and welding it up, innit, really? And we're not actually doing like a roll cage Trayback. I want it more like a pickup. So we're just going to be putting a like a bit of a flatbed body on it. But it's going to be over probably a few days, because before it goes back out properly I want it all painted and everything else. I'm talking loud because I don't know if you can hear how loud it is in here. But the wife's following me in the van. We're on our way now to an undisclosed location. So, in the words of Top Gear, let's cue the music. Right then, so we're here in mud. We figured out where about we're going to cut it. Just going to empty a door. Get rid of all that shit in there. Anybody want to buy a D3? Come on, Boris. Here's the supervisor for the day. Isn't you off in safety? The next clip you'll see, probably be all off. It'll either be off or, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, come on, tiny dog. Right, as you can see, starting taking everything apart. Got all the loom down. Tank's coming out now. All the fuel lines are off. That's obviously the roof lining. That's all the shit what was in the back. Hopefully we're going to get them springs on as well. But yeah, the plan is, I think we're going to cut it about here, so it's going to be, because I do want a bit of room still in the cab, so I can move the seat and whatnot. So yeah, it's probably going to be cut about there. Get rid of the bob back. We've got a nice brand new piece of steel to weld in. Don't know what Reese is doing. Probably playing with himself. But what better backdrop to do then? Shush, dog. Right, I think these are going to be my new tyres. I'm going to put some of these on, I think. What do you reckon? What size are 20s? So I just need some big 20-inch rims. Put some of them on. So yeah, not long now, we've just got to take the tank out. And I think we're going to cut it. The reason we're cutting it there is so, I want to cut it along this line so it's level with the top of that bit there. I mean, I could cut it a bit further up, but then I ain't going to have any room in the cab. Here he is. Got his Milwaukee. I have an injury. I was doing some very important work with the grinder and it slipped and went through my hand, which is fucking phenomenal. So I'm currently wrapped up like an horse. Well, Reese is grafting. Can't use the fucking grinder now.
Straight over.
Yeah, go on then. The chassis's pretty good, isn't it?
She is, yeah.
Hey, it would have been so much easier to do that pump now. That filter. And she's off.
Splendid.
Yeah. So now I've been demoted to cameraman because I got poorly on. Let's have a look what he's doing. Well, I'm not going to look, but you can. Oh, he stopped fucking well, didn't he? But yeah, these bits here, it'll all pull in just nice. We fucking winged it. Didn't measure anything. Don't even know if I got a measuring tape here. Have we got a measuring tape here?
Somewhere.
We just winged it.
I got some string.
Yeah, we used a string line to cut the doors. And we fucked that up, to be fair. It's gonna be a peach.
It's gonna be good, isn't she?
Yeah, man. But we're nearly calling it a day today. We've just going to cut that bit off there. Where were you there? We're going to cut that bit off, square it all off. We're just putting the frame on. It's getting a bit cold. Oh, little portly hands. Oh. And there's a high possibility I may get arc. Yeah.
Get in there slowly.